Sitting in silence, we still feel the vibe, but you could not say a word, and I know what you just decided. We'd be right in the same way.
Hey guys, so this is my morning routine. Once I'm up, first thing I do after my morning prayer in bed is to lay my bed, try to like fold my sheets. That blanket is like the biggest thing, so I kind of like to just have it out of the way. Next I simply adjust my sheets, lay my bed properly. I attempt to lay my bed. I just put on these sheets like last night, so I'm trying to make sure I still have a good streak with like laying my bed properly. Yeah. I work as a social media manager, so I have to make sure the first post of the day goes up on Instagram. I have to share it across like the different platforms. So basically that's my first thing to do in the morning, like nothing like work related thing to do in the morning. Yes, so I think this particular morning I was trying to post a reel. Yeah, I was trying to post a reel early in the morning. So I simply have that done. Next, I go to the kitchen. I select my song, like who does chores without nice music? Yeah. So I'm washing the dishes. I just have to make sure it's all cleaned up before going about my own personal life in the day.
Right in the same wave. Oh, the water's perfect, babe. The heat is rising, the time is mounting from my fingertips. How come, baby, kiss my lips? Nothing ever will compare to this. You and I making fire, I can take ya. I can make it better, baby. Running away every day, feeling the same.
So next is shower time. This is the face wash that I'm currently using from Beauty, and then I use this white soap from Fig Tree. Don't be scared, it's just black soap, like African soap. Yeah. So after shower time, I go in my deodorant. This is currently the one that I'm using, just because I'm trying to avoid like dark underarms, and I heard it's really good. Cream my body using my soybean body milk. So next I wear something free, light and comfortable at home. This is my hair is giving me a problem with this clothes. So this particular blouse, I got it in a thrift market. I was walking by and I saw it. I'm just like, nah, I want to get it. How much is this? Let me buy it. Now it's time for skincare. So I'm going to start using my toner serum. I'm going to start with my toner serum from Beauty. This I love so much. You can see that I'm almost out of it, so it's thick, and because of that I don't need a cotton pad when I'm using it. I just have to put it on my skin, and my skin will absorb it after a while. I'm also using this niacinamide serum that my sister made for me. So my sister owns Beauty, so this is one of the serums that is in production phase, so she's testing it on my skin to be sure everything is good with it. I mean, I'm such a good sister, right? So next I go in with my moisturizer. So this is from Beauty. This is our product that recently launched. Okay, so this is a lightweight moisturizer, great for all skin types. So this is currently what I'm using. I'm so happy that I got this before the harmattan or the change of weather comes about and it becomes really dry. That's it for my skincare routine in the morning. Next, I'm trying to oil my scalp because I made my hair yesterday. So most of the time, my scalp will get dry and itchy. So I'm trying to really prevent that. Plus, Jamaican black castor oil is good for the edges, and I'm really trying to get my edges back so bad. Next, I tie a scarf on my hair because I'm trying to press my hair down. I just made it so it's a little bit puffy. I'm trying to get it to be flat down on my hair. Well, it goes with my shirt, right? So I have the full look together. Yep, ready to stay at home for the rest of the day. Now it's time to make breakfast. Start off with cleaning my table. Very important that you clean before you cook. So this morning I'm going to be making waffles, but I'm going to be making waffles with oats. Yes, that's correct. I'm going to be using the normal cooker oats that we use. Yes, so I have my milk, everything that I need. But first of all, I use a blender. So I'm currently catching up on Dima Ume's latest video. I couldn't watch it yesterday when it dropped, so I'm going to watch it while I'm cooking. Yeah, so I pour my oats into the blender, just the oats alone, because I want to grind it to like dry powder kind of. And this blender is like really good for like grinding things dry. So I pour a good amount, almost filling it up. You want to make sure it's enough, because trust me, you need a lot of oats for this. So once I'm done, I cover the blender, shake it up a little bit, just to, I don't know why, because I mean everything is even. And I blend it dry for just a few, like literally a few seconds, guys. Just a few seconds, and I have my powder. So I have to check it if it's good, like everything is blended properly. If not, I turn it upside down. So this is what the powder should look like later on. It's not going to be as fine as normal flour, but you still get that, floury, feeling. I open up my milk, normal local method. Use knife, puncture it on two ends to open up your milk. That's what I do, and then I pour the milk in, just like you're trying to make pancakes, but you're using oats to make your pancakes. So that's basically what I do. I don't complicate my routine much. Very simple. Then I add my eggs. For the quantity of oats that I use, I'm going to be using 2 eggs to make the waffles. Once I do that, add a little bit of water, just very little water I want to add to it, because you kind of want it to still be a little bit thick, just a little bit. Yeah. So currently I'm trying to reduce my using like sugar. So I settled for sweeteners. So that's a sweetener I'm adding. Just add very little and you're good to go. Now to the waffle maker. This is from Kenwood and I got this in Ebano. It cost me I think about 28,000, but this one you can use it to make sandwich, waffles, and also shawarma as well. So I just fit in the waffle plates there. If you're gonna make a sandwich, you fit in like the plate for the sandwich there. So once I put that in and it's heating up a bit, I put butter on the body just to oil it a bit so it's not sticking. Going to make the first batch of the waffles, fingers crossed, because the last time I tried it did not come out very well. So I'm really hoping that this particular one comes out well. So once I'm done with that, I'm just going to close the machine, lock it. You want to lock it, okay, and leave it to just cook while it's going to be heating up and catching up on Dima's vlog, and also like replying messages too. Yeah, she looks so good. I'm so happy that she's traveling in this particular vlog. Like, girl, leave Nigeria, please. You deserve it. Travel. So the waffle, I checked it. No, it's not there yet. It's not there yet. But like now, I got tired of waiting actually, because it wasn't getting brown no matter how long I waited. So I'm just like, let me just take it out. So I bring it out using a fork. Okay, you can use a wide spoon. I think that would be much better. So this is what the first one looks like. Yeah. So I'm going in with for the next one, because I want to eat more than one. I'm a little bit hungry this morning, and also making for other people in the house. So I'm gonna prep the next one, lock it and let it cook. So I have leftover Oreos from yesterday, so I'm just going to break it into like mini bits, very mini bits, and just scatter it on top of the waffles there. Then I'm going to use this chocolate syrup that I've had for a while, and I always use it to eat waffles or pancakes. Sometimes I add it to my coffee because it just gives it that extra, sweet, nice taste. So this is my breakfast. It looks really good. Like, looks like something you would eat in a restaurant, to be honest. Yeah, so it's time to resume at my desk. My PA sends me my to-do list every morning, so I have to write it out on this piece of paper so that I'm looking at it literally every single day. So that's me. I'm writing it out on the piece of paper from the message that she sent to me. So you have to start your day right. So now I have a meeting with my PA. This is Tuesday night, about 9 a.m. We usually have our meeting in the morning on Tuesdays. So I have a meeting with her. I'm eating while I wait for her to join the meeting. Yeah, so basically meeting just to discuss contents, calendar, discuss the plans, we share screen,
we see where we're at for the week, which content needs to go up, anything that we need to design, content for the week. Basically, that's what we try to go over on Tuesdays. So this is me working and having my meeting.
Love, we just can't deny it. You know all the ways I like it. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets. Holding you, holding me, easy love. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets. Holding you, holding me, easy love.
So still this morning I have a consultation, so I go through the document that they fill, also check out their page, list a couple of things that I'm going to point out during the consultation while I'm discussing with my clients. I take breaks from sitting down because I tend to have hip pain when I sit down for too long, so I stand up, come back, I sit down. This is me getting ready for my consultation, waiting to join. I tend to join like a minute before the normal time, so that in case they need permit to enter the meeting. So it's usually a Google Meet. I'm able to share my screen with them and also discuss things during the meeting. So it's usually really nice talking to my clients. This is me trying to share my screen so that I can go through her documents, what she filled with me, and also go through her page, take her to other pages so we can see things and we can also compare. But I always love a great time having a consultation, like just sitting, it fits me, right? Just sitting down and having this nice talk. But it's honestly really nice. I'm grateful for the opportunity. So I take breaks, of course, to stand also and walk around, just because I'm just trying to infuse some activity. Once I sit for too long, I tend to have pain in my hip later in the day. Once my consultation is over, I reward myself with a few hours of Netflix, minutes actually. So this is me watching Dynasty. I'm in season 4. I'm really trying to finish it up, but my consultation was about 11, so I'm gonna be on this till about 12. It takes me to afternoon and basically the end of my morning and the end of this video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.